This simple guide will show you how to export SurveyMonkey results. Whether you're a seasoned SurveyMonkey user or just getting started, exporting your survey results is a crucial step for analyzing data effectively. So let's dive in and get those results downloaded. First things first, you'll need to head over to surveymonkey.com. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL. Once you're on the home page, log in with your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to access your surveys. Once you're logged in, the next step is to locate your surveys. On the main dashboard, you should see an option that says All Surveys. Go ahead and click on that to view a list of all the surveys you've created or have access to. This page is where you can manage all of your survey projects. Now, scan through your list and find the survey whose results you want to export. Once you have located it, click on the survey name. This will take you into the surveys overview page, where you can see various options for managing and analyzing your survey data. Next, you'll want to click on Analyze Results. This button is usually prominently displayed and will take you to a section where you can see all the responses collected from your survey participants. Here, you can view your data in different formats, apply filters, and get insights into your survey responses. Once you're in the Analyze Results section, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Export. Clicking this will open up options for downloading your data. This is a key feature because it allows you to take your survey results offline and use them in other programs such as Excel or Google Sheets for further analysis. After clicking Export, you'll need to click on New Export. This option will let you customize how you want your data exported. You can choose from various formats like CSV, PDF, or XLS, depending on how you plan to use the data. Each format has its own advantages, so pick the one that best suits your needs. For instance, CSV is excellent for spreadsheets, while PDF is better for presentations. However, here's an essential thing to remember. To export your survey results, you might need to upgrade your SurveyMonkey plan. Some export capabilities are only available to users with a paid subscription. If you're currently on a free plan, SurveyMonkey will prompt you to upgrade when you attempt to export your data. It's worth considering if you regularly need to export and analyze survey data, as the paid plans offer more robust features and flexibility. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily export your SurveyMonkey results and start analyzing your data in more depth. Whether you're preparing a report, sharing insights with your team, or simply keeping records, exporting your data is an invaluable tool. Thanks for watching and happy surveying.